How to fix Halo Infinite error code 0x80070424 in the Xbox app on Windows. To fix Halo Infinite error code 0x80070424 in the Xbox app on Windows, try 1. Install other apps in the same location. 2. Update installed apps and services via Microsoft Store, including gaming services. 3. Terminate, repair, then reset these apps, Halo Infinite, gaming services, and the Xbox app for. Run GitOps package alusers. For each AddOps package disable development mode register $__install location, \appexmanifest.xml command in PowerShell as admin. Plan B, GitOps package Microsoft.gaming services remove ops package alusers in PowerShell followed by start ms Windows store //pdp/ producted equals 9mwpm2cqnlhn. 5. Restart your PC and try installing Halo Infinite later.